UAB Hospital is forging ahead and hoping to put a very disturbing situation behind them. All local, state, and federal agencies monitoring the outbreak of Legionella at the hospital report it now as clean. The outbreak was detected within the hospital in early May, but UAB didn't report the problem at that time. Precautionary measures such as forcing those on the 5th through 7th floors to wear masks while flushing the toilets have since been suspended. But a complex filtering system will remain in place. 9 people were diagnosed with Legionella as a result of the infection. 2 people died.
Well, Stephen, Legionella is a disease that our guest this morning has plenty of experience with. I'm joined this morning by Michael Willis from the law firm of Morris, Hayes, Hornsby, and Willis and Knowles. Thank you so much for joining us this morning. You're representing the victims of this case at UAB. What made you decide to take on this case?
Well, we currently represent 4 families. Two individuals have passed away and 2 have been made terribly sick. And we have experience handling Legionella cases as I think Legionella is becoming diagnosed more frequently now than it has been in the past.
And you've actually litigated a $4.5 million settlement in Calhoun County. How do you compare this case to that? What are your thoughts?
Well, the Calhoun County case was a little different. It was an exposure in a hot tub. Legionella bacteria grows in dirty water or water that the pH and is such that allows bacteria to grow. The Calhoun County case, 2 individuals got very, very sick, and we actually tried that case in front of a jury in Anniston.
I know you can't go into details about this specific case, but do you think you have a strong case, and why?
Well, when you look at even the press releases that UAB has made in the last several weeks, I believe UAB realized that they had an outbreak. It seems to me that they have had positive tests of the water there. These are hospital-acquired infections. And most of the people who got sick, I believe, were high-risk patients. They were suffering from cancer, going through chemotherapy, so their immune system was already weakened because of their health condition.
Well, Mr. Willis, we thank you so much for joining us, and we wish the best to these families.
Thank you so much.
Thank you. Stephen?